Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent the Intellisaur Smart Robot Dinosaur in exchange for my honest review. So here you can see the box that it's going to come in. We've got our handy little dinosaur here. We've got parts of the tail that we need to put together. We've got our remote and our rechargeable battery. The remote does require two AAA batteries, not included, so make sure to have batteries on hand. And then once we get it out of the box, all we've got to do is snap the tail on and we can begin playtime. So here we've got this tail, and all we got to do is simply snap it in place, and then we've got the end of the tail here that's nice and pointy. So with a little bit of arm muscles there, I was able to get that snapped in place. Included in the battery pack, it actually comes with 5 bullets and a screwdriver, along with the charging cable to our rechargeable battery. We can turn our dinosaur upside down and we can operate and insert the batteries. And he came to life! And just like that, he came to life with the installation of a battery. With the dinosaur, I know that sometimes noise can be a lot as a parent, and sometimes I want quiet time. This actually has a volume button, and so if it's too loud, I can turn it down. That's a huge plus as a mom. And of course, I can turn it up as well. And then if I want it to move forward, I got the buttons. If I want to go to the side, I can go to the side, backwards, and to the left. I'm able to get this dinosaur to follow commands with the push of a button. Now with the remote, there are 3 music variations, and so here we're going to hit music 1. Here's music 2. And music 3. I like how the tail shakes with 3. And then here, if I hit the head, note how his head goes 360 degrees. And here's the tail button, so he can wiggle his booty with the push of a button. As a mom, not only is it interactive, but I love the fact that it has a rechargeable battery, because this battery is going to need to be charged often with a lot of playtime. So I hope you found the review helpful.